nature is. Them kangaroos jump around, kick the crap out of people. Them little alligators, they just bite everything, man.
You know what I love about nature? I love the trees, the wind, the water, and them cute little critters, like the fuzzy little bunnies, the furry little squirrels, and them cute little hoot owls. Best things in the world.
I like how the wolves go, ow! America.
Well, can't you see it's all around me? I love nature because how neat it is. Like, over here, see that tree? How neat is that? It's Ponderosa Pine. I can tell by the way it is.